After the physical examination, the next step is a 3D scan. The orthotist first uses alcohol to 3D scan the plane and spray all around. Prevent cross-infection. After spraying, wipe the surrounding areas with paper towels. After the preparations are done, open 3D scanning software. Enter customer-related information. After debugging everything, you can ask customers to take off their shoes. Place the foot to be tested into the device. The orthotist has to guide the client. Head up, chest out, feet shoulder width apart. Keep the heels of both feet on a horizontal line. When starting the test, inform the customer. There should be no other movements of the feet after the test begins. After testing the left foot, test the right foot. First, lift the cover of the 3D scan. Guide to place your left foot on a flat surface on the left. The right foot is also placed on the test platform. Close the lid. Orthotists still need to confirm posture. After confirming, you should be told not to move once you start. Analyze and explain after testing. Get a detailed view of the report. "3D report circumference line points. Weaken according to the needs. Make 3D manual moves. Click on the right. We can find the corresponding position on the left. We can also change the color. Judgment by color. We can see the contact area of the customer's feet. The next step is to change to the skin color scanned by the customer. Can be enlarged. The details of the feet can be shown. This is the mark we left on our customer's feet earlier. By marking pain points, can be used in the post-production process. Make appropriate adjustments to relevant points. Next, we click on the third brush above. We will enter a detailed report page. From here, we can see all the information about the test feet. It can be judged from the test results. The degree of internal and external pronation of the rear heel. The health of the arch can be seen from the arch index. Check whether there is a hallux valgus from the angle of the thumb. What follows is some detailed production data. Plantar pressure test. When the customer is ready, instruct customers to relax and walk normally. Single leg pressure plate. Orthotists need to observe from all angles. Look at the customer's gait when walking from the front, back, and side. Walking on the pressure plate for the first time. Customers may be nervous at first and are not used to waiting. You need to be patiently guided and walked back and forth a few more times. This is the pressure report just measured. Select the footprints in their most natural state. Replay through footprints. Plantar pressure and curvature can be observed when walking. This is the measurement of the entire sole of the foot. This is an orthopedic recommendation for increased attachment through plastic insoles. This is the pressure report of the plantar point, mainly through amplification. Observe the different colored squares in the point to judge the point of plantar pressure. Finally, we will make a summary of the previous reports. You can see the analysis data more intuitively above. The above data will also be passed. Give the foreseeable hazards of each part. Can be prevented. Next is the physical assessment test. First, ask customers to stand in a specific area. Orthotist waiting to operate computer equipment. The first test is a static evaluation. Customers stand in the most natural and relaxed state. Analysis by far-infrared whole-body scan. Second, human balance test. Take off your shoes and now the ground is flat. Close your eyes for 30 seconds. The orthotist will remind you when the time is up. The third, joint mobility test. A little person will appear on the start test screen. Follow the actions of the little man on the screen. Because the posture assessment equipment is in front, it must be from the outside facing the screen. The fourth, gait analysis. Need to walk to the rear to test the distance required for the system. Green on screen. Can walk forward. The following is a physical assessment report. First, we enter the static report. The static report is far-infrared whole-body skin analysis. Scan while customers are still. A comprehensive conclusion will be drawn at the beginning. Part evaluation data. Skeleton simulation diagram. Muscle condition results. Center of gravity. Exercise prescription. Balance report. Evaluation result. Exercise prescription. Joint range of motion report. Get results and degrees of motion for each joint. There are reference numbers for health degrees on the right. Exercise prescription. Gait assessment report. Detailed analysis of walking cadence, symmetry, step size. Exercise prescription.